Hello everyone, today we visit the winners from the last national race from this season. It was a spectacular result for these two famous brothers from Zingem, Vandenheede Freddy and Jacques. They did an amazing result with one and maybe one third and fourth national on Chateauroux with the young birds. This is the first arrival. This is the blue one, and the ring number of this pigeon is 180 from 24. It's a young bird. The first and you can show me the wings. The first and second pigeon are clocked in the same second, so we're gonna wait on the official result for first and second, maybe one first and first. This is a super quality pigeon, a very good back, a very nice yellow eye. And in total they have 7 young pigeons in the top 10 of the national result.